The courtroom comes to order as Judge Vunderby takes the bench. The tension is immediate. Two mothers stand on opposite sides, sharing one child but not the same responsibilities. Miss Williamson steps forward, her frustration clear. She tells the court she is carrying the full weight of parenting while the other parent is absent. She says she needs help, child support, and she is done doing this alone.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Miss Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together, and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing, and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
Insurance. I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that means I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking.
The judge listens as Miss Williamson explains that custody used to be split, but things have changed. For 3 months, she has been the primary caregiver. The judge stays calm, guiding the conversation, reminding both parties that arguing with each other won't help. This is about the child, Sage, 6 years old. And right now, one parent feels abandoned in the responsibility.
And I could just excuse myself. What did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting.
The courtroom mood shifts when social media enters the conversation. Miss Williamson claims the other mother is being flew out, posting trips and luxury outings while claiming she's too busy to see her child. The accused mother fires back, questioning why her social media is being watched. The judge steps in, clarifying the situation. Are these trips work-related or something else?
No, I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you, no worries. Now, she is working, you're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes. I
Okay.
adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami. But
The second mother admits she sometimes gets flew out, but insists she is working hard and paying for health insurance. The judge acknowledges the effort, but makes the central point crystal clear. This child belongs to both of them. Responsibility cannot be optional. And today, that responsibility is about to be measured in dollars.
yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why are you all on my social media?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal
are
with
you
as a flight
working
attendant
when-
with all these crazy people on this
Okay, so
airplane.
are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out situation. But most of the time, I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like, at least I'm doing something.
The judge asks for income information, and the number lands heavy in the courtroom. $79,000 a year. The judge reacts sharply, questioning how someone can travel, enjoy luxury, and still avoid supporting their child. She warns the respondent that the math is coming, and it will not be in her favor.
Congratulations. You pay a whole $175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but...
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, This is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
About 79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About 79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be...
With paperwork in hand, the judge calculates the monthly income, the deductions, and the net pay. She breaks it down step by step. The tension rises as the numbers are spoken aloud. Every figure feels like a countdown to the final ruling. The judge reminds the mother to pay attention. These numbers are flying her way.
Flued out and not give her anything for Sage. You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the
Just
only
Sage.
child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't.
The final calculation arrives. For one child, Sage, the obligation is over $1,000 per month. Even after credit for insurance, the amount barely changes. The mother reacts in disbelief, repeating the number. The judge remains firm. This is not punishment. This is responsibility.
Take care of.
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
You know
me.
what it is
Excuse
to carry
me.
a baby for 9 months?
Okay,
Because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we ain't
again,
together now.
I
That's
need
why I
you.
be cheating now.
I need you to pay attention
Girl.
since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet.
The judge repeats the ruling clearly, making sure everyone in the courtroom understands. $1,000 monthly. Health insurance must be maintained. No excuses. No distractions. The judge asks if there is anything further. Both sides fall silent. The decision is final.
It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the 175. 658. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? You got
I
that?
heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
The courtroom is dismissed. Later, the judge explains the legal lesson. In Texas, Two mothers can both be legal parents, biological and adoptive. And when custody changes, child support must change too. Agreements can be modified when reality shifts.
You all are dismissed. Hi guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Williamson case. Well, what did you notice that was interesting about this one? There were two moms. Yes, in Texas, that is perfectly legal. There is a biological parent and there's also an adoptive parent. Well, that's what happened in this case. Whenever that happens, both parents have the legal obligation to support a child. Mom number 2 was not supporting the child. Mom 1 wanted child support. What else was interesting that you hear about that? This was a modification case. That means that they already had an existing order in place where they were supposed to have a split custody situation. They agreed to no child support. But when Mom 1 started having the child more than 50% of the time,
The judge closes with a reminder that every child deserves support from both parents. Parenthood does not end when it becomes inconvenient. And in this courtroom, responsibility always comes before lifestyle. Court is adjourned, but your duty to your child never is.